Okay, good morning class 9. This is your part 1 video from simultaneous linear equation exercise 5.1. Okay. In this chapter we learn how to find the value and how to solve the solution, how to solve the equation and find the value of x and y. So in this exercise we see three kinds of method, that is first one is substitution method. Okay. Number 2, elimination method. And number 3 is cross multiplication method. Okay. So actually these all three methods are used just to solve the equations and find the value of x and y. So now in today's exercise we learn the substitution method, how to input the substitution method and solve the equation and find the value of x and y. Okay. So our first question from this exercise is very easy, very simple, that is x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. So how you solve the equation? You say this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Okay, x minus y equals to 4. Okay, from any one equation you find the value of x and just put the value of this equation in this equation. That means what? Suppose in this equation we find the value of x. The value of x is 14 and plus y going this side, that means minus. So we get the value of x equals to 14 minus y. And from here we get the value of x. We just put the value of x in this equation. This is for substitution method. That means from here you find the value of x and put the value of x in this equation. Okay. So here we find the value of x, that is 14 minus y. Just putting the value of x in this equation. Putting value of x. So in place of x we write down 14 minus y minus, this is x, in place of x we write down 14 minus y, and this is minus, this is y is equals to 4. That means 14 minus 2y, minus y minus 2y is equals to 4. So 14, this plus 4 comes this side, that is minus 4, and this minus 2 goes this side, that is plus 2. So 14 minus 4 is 10 equals to 2y. Therefore y equals to 10 upon 2, that is 5. Okay. So we get the value of 5. Just from we find the value of y, put the value of y in this and then get the easily answer of x. So putting the value of y, x equals to 14 minus, in place of y you just write down 5. So your answer is x equals to 9. So what we learn in this method, just you find the value of x from equation 1 and after getting the value of x you just put the value of x in equation 2, nothing else more. Okay, note it down. Question number 1, that is a plus 3b is equals to 5. This is our equation 1, and 7a minus 8b is equals to 6. So this is our equation 2. So what we learned in the previous question, just you find the value of a. So what the value of a equals to 5. This plus 3b going this side, that is minus 3b. This is the value of a. After getting the value of a, we just put the value of a in equation 2. So in place of 7 we write down 7. In place of a we write down 5 minus 3b. In place of a we write down 5 minus 3b. Here we write putting the value of a. Okay. Minus 8b is equals to 6. So 7 5s are 35 minus 7 3 21b minus 8b is equals to 6. So 35 minus 20 minus minus plus 21 and 8 is 29b is equals to 6. So 35, this 6 comes side, that means minus 6, and this minus 29 go this side, that is plus 29b. So 35 minus 6, that is 29, equals to 29b. Therefore b equals to 29 upon 29, that is 1. So we get the value of b. Okay, now putting the value of b. So a equals to 5 minus 3. In place of b we just write down 1 because we get the value of b is 1. So 5 minus 3, 1 ja 3, that is 2. So the value of a is 2 and b is 1. Okay, note. Now question number 3.1. In question number 3.1, 2x minus 3y by 4 is equals to 5 equals to 3, and 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. 2x minus 3. Okay. So you see, first of all we arrange the question, that is taking LCM 1, that is 4. 1 divided 4, 4. 4 into 2, that is 8x minus 4. 4 divided 1. 1 into 3y, that is 3y equals to 3. So 8x minus 3y equals to this going here, that means divide come this side into 4 3s are 12. Okay, so you see 8x equals to, we find the value of x, how? 12. This minus 3 goes this side, that is plus 3y. Okay, so you get the value of x equals to 12 plus 3y by 8. Done. 8 here is into, when this 8 comes this side, that is divide. So we get the value of x equals to 12 plus 3y upon 8. Now here putting value of x, so 5, in place of x we write down 12 plus 3y upon 8 minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Clear? Just we write the value of x. What the value of x? 12 plus 3y upon 8. Okay, 5 12 is 60 plus 5 3 is 15y upon 8 minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. 8 divided 8, 1. 1 into 60 plus 15y, that is 60 plus 15y minus 8 divided 1 divided 8. Okay, 8 8 2 ja 16y minus 8 divided by 1, that is 8. So 8 7 ja 56 equals to 0. This 8 going this side, that means 0 into 8 0. So here is 60 and minus 56, that is 4, and plus 15y minus 16y, that is minus y. Again I repeat, plus 60 minus 56, plus minus minus 60 minus 56 is 4, plus 15y minus 16y, plus minus minus, and 16 minus 15 is y equals to 0. So 4 equals to y. Minus y going inside, we get the value of y equals to 4. Now here just put the value of y. Putting value of y. So x equals to 12 plus 3. In place of 4 we just y write down 4. Okay, by 8. 12 plus 12 by 8. So 24 by 8, that is 3. So value of x is 3 and y is 4. Okay, note. Question number 4, part 1. mx equals to ny equals to m square plus n square. Equation 1. And here is x plus 2y, sorry, x plus y equals to 2m. mx minus ny equals to m square plus n square. Equation 2. Okay. First of all, you find the value of x. You find the value of x from this side also and putting this side. But we are doing just find the value of x from here and putting this side. Okay. So mx equals to m square plus n square minus ny going this side, that is plus ny. So x equals to, you see, m square plus n square plus ny. This m here is into, so getting is in divide. When m comes this side, that means divide. Okay, so we get the value of x. In place of x just putting the value of x. What the value of x? That is m square plus n square plus ny by m plus y equals to 2m. Done? Okay. m1 LCM is m divided, that is 1. So 1 multiply this portion is m square n square plus ny plus this portion divide, that is 1 divided m, that is m into y, it's my equals to 2m. When this m going this side, that means multiply, because here is divide. When divide going to the other side, that means multiplication. So m square plus n square plus ny plus my equals to 2m square. Okay, you see ny here, my here, and the all portion, these two portion, that means here is 2m square, this m square going this side, that is minus m square, this plus n square going this side, that is minus n square. Okay, so you see after here in both part y is common, so we taking y as common factor. So y cancel, n is left, y cancel, m is left. Okay, here 2m square minus 1m square, that is m square minus m square. Okay, so y equals to, okay, see, in place of m square minus n square, formula is a square minus b square, that is a minus b or a plus b. Okay, you see y equals to, there here is a into, when this going this side, that is division. So m minus n, m plus n by n plus m. So this portion cut it down, we get the value of y equals to m minus n. Done. So the value of y equals to m minus n. Now here just putting the value of y. So x equals to m square n square plus n. In place of y we write down m minus n by m. Okay, so you see n square plus n into m, that is mn plus minus minus n square. This n square cancel by m. Okay, you see what left, m square plus mn by m. Okay, so in this portion m is common factor, we are taking m as a common factor. So m cancel n square, that m is left, plus cancel, n is left by m. So cancel, so the value of x is m plus n and the value of y is m minus n. Okay, note. Question number 5, 2x plus y is equals to 35, this is our equation 1, and 3x plus 4y is equals to 65. Find the value of x by y, this is our equation 2. That means after getting the value of x and y, just to divide the term. Okay, so same as from here we find the value of y, getting easy. Okay, so y equals to 35, this plus 2x going this side, that is minus 2x. So we get the value of y. Just we do a little change. From here we did not find the value of x, we just find the value of y. So now putting the value of y. So 3x plus 4, in place of y we write down 35 minus 2x equals to 65. So 3x plus 4 into 35, that is 140, minus 8x equals to 65. So 3x minus 8x, that is minus 5x. 65, this 140 going this side, that is minus 40. So minus 5x, it's minus 75. Plus 65 minus 140, minus 75. This minus minus cancel, x equals to 75 by 5, that is 15. We get the value of x is 15. Okay, so putting the value of x, so y equals to 35 minus 2. In place of x we write down 15. So 35 minus 2 into 15 is 30. So 5. So we get the value of y equals to 5. Now what the question is, find the value of x upon y. In place of x we write down 15. In place of y we write down 5. It's 3. Okay. Note.